Europe's industries, transport and energy systems rely on rare and costly materials, but their extraction devastates ecosystems, pollutes water, and generates toxic waste that lingers for generations. At the same time, Europe's heavy reliance on imports leaves industries vulnerable to rising costs, geopolitical tensions, and supply chain disruptions, threatening economic and energy security. As the demand for electric motors grows, MultiMag is leading the change by pioneering a new generation of motors that significantly reduce the need for rare earth elements through the use of multi-material additive manufacturing. By minimizing dependence on critical raw materials while making motors lighter, stronger, and more energy efficient, the project is setting new standards in sustainable technology. With motor magnet weight reduced by up to 50%, coupled with a 20% weight reduction of inactive motor components, industries can achieve more with less environmental impact. These innovations are making sustainable mobility more practical and cost-effective, helping Europe move closer to carbon neutrality. MultiMag's advanced electric motor designs are being developed for real-world applications, including automation, mobility, and the space sector, where performance, weight reduction, and energy efficiency are crucial. Additionally, over 60% of critical materials, including rare earth elements, can be recovered and reused, ensuring a truly circular economy and reducing Europe's reliance on scarce resources. With these breakthroughs, MultiMag is not just transforming technology, it is securing Europe's future. By reducing reliance on rare earth elements and ensuring critical materials can be recovered and reused, the project helps avoid supply shortages, high costs, and environmental damage. A cleaner, more resilient, and truly sustainable future starts here.